How to overcome fear of starting online selling. Have you ever wanted to start an online business, but fear keeps stopping you? Fear of losing money, fear of making mistakes, fear of failing. If that sounds like you, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to overcome fear and finally start online selling, even if you are a complete beginner. Hello, my name is Divine Corcio. I'm a Filipino entrepreneur helping Filipinos sell online in the US. This video is brought to you by Prep for You Services, The Follow Hub, Gawang Kame US, DCS Digital Consultancy and Services. Step 1. Understand that fear is normal. The first thing you need to know is this: fear is normal. Every successful online seller was once afraid. The difference is, they started anyway. Common fears: fear of failure, fear of losing money, fear of not being good enough. Fear doesn't mean you're not ready. It means you care. Step 2. Identify what you are really afraid of. Most of the time, fear is not about online selling, it's about uncertainty. Ask viewers to reflect. Are you afraid of losing money? Are you afraid of technology? Are you afraid of judgment? When you name your fear, it becomes easier to manage. Step 3. Replace fear with knowledge. Fear grows when there is no knowledge. Ways to reduce fear: watch tutorials, learn from free resources, follow experienced sellers. You don't need to know everything. You just need to know the next step. Step 4. Start small to reduce risk. One of the best ways to overcome fear is to lower the risk. Examples: start with reselling. Start with small inventory. Use a beginner-friendly platform. When the risk is small, fear becomes manageable. Step 5. Accept that mistakes will happen. Mistakes are not failure. They are part of the learning process. Every mistake you make is a lesson that helps you grow. The goal is not to avoid mistakes, but to learn from them. Step 6. Take action even when you feel afraid. Confidence does not come before action. Confidence comes after action. You don't need to feel ready. You need to move forward. Small actions you can take today: create a seller account, research one product, watch one tutorial. Step 7. Believe in yourself and your why. Remember why you want to start. Possible reasons: extra income, family support, financial freedom. When your why is strong, fear becomes smaller. Fear will always be there. The question is, will you let it stop you? Start small, start scared, but start. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Comment below what fear you are trying to overcome. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.